Hi students, in this video we are going to discuss priority queues. Suppose we have 4 items, each of which is associated with some priorities. And priority queue is a queue which treats these items according to their priorities. If 2 items have same priority, then the queue will serve them in first come first order. Operations of priority queues. First is addition. Addition means insert an element I at an appropriate place in queue. Next is deletion. Deletion means delete an element I from an appropriate place in queue. Next is get friend. Get friend returns the friend element of the queue. Priority queue can be implemented using array, linked list, and heap. There are 2 ways to implement a priority queue. First one is using a sorted list, where elements are stored in some sorted order of their priorities, so that when deleting comes, it doesn't require to search the queue for highest priority element. Second one is using unsorted list. Here, priority queue uses an unsorted list to store the elements so that the insertions are always done at the end of the list. Here, the elements doesn't keep any order of their priorities. There are 2 types of priority queues. First one is ascending priority queue. It is a collection of items in which the item can be inserted arbitrarily, but only the item with the smallest priority can be removed. Next is descending priority queue, where the item can be inserted arbitrarily, but can be removed only the highest priority element. Please watch the next part of this video for class definition of priority queue, insertion operation, deletion operation, and get friend operation of priority queue. Okay, thank you.